How to fix WhatsApp date and time. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix date and time on WhatsApp. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So sometimes what happens is that whenever you open up WhatsApp, it says that date is inaccurate, or you can see it says your device date is inaccurate. So in order to fix the date and time on WhatsApp, you have to change the date and time for your own device first. Now by default, you can just simply tap on this adjust date button and it will take you to the page where you can change your date and time. But if that doesn't work for you, then we can also access it from the settings menu. So exit out of WhatsApp and then open up settings. As soon as you open up settings, on the list of these options, just go to the one which says general management. So select general management. And once you go to the general management, what you have to do is you just have to go to the option called date and time. As soon as you select date and time, what I would recommend you to do in order to fix this is to simply turn on automatic date and time. When you just turn on automatic date and time, all of your date issues is going to be fixed because your device is going to extract the real date and time depending upon your geography and location, and also depending upon your time zone. You can also use the 24-hour format if you really want to. Whenever your date and time is incorrect on your phone is itself not going to connect to the internet. Not only WhatsApp, it will also not let you use any other social media apps. Now after that, I'll just go ahead and check whether or not our issue has been fixed. So I'll open up WhatsApp, and this time you can see that the application is working just fine. I could even go ahead and then talk to someone else and then send a message and so on. And this is how you can fix date and time on WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.